Oh. Anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Right there.
It is right there.
I knew you were kind of good at something. I don't care what any of the girls say about you.
Hey. I'm very flexible. Anyway. Good old quarter drive pass-through set. The 5/16 socket. And the extension. Sure make getting to the nut on the back of the ignition switch easy. Doing a little reach around. Just giving her a reach around, Bernsey.
Dang, don't worry about it.
Hey. $20, $20, man.
I knew you liked it like that.
Hey, you know. Alright, come on. Because it's got like 40 fucking threads on something that only needs 2.
Maybe 4.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Alright, and then there's one wire off. See it? Da da da! Da 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 da! Ah! It's just such a tight fit in there. I can't. Anyway, so it's loose. So next time you see this, I'll have this baby out. Alright, so I pulled the lock cylinder out, as you can see. You put it over to accessory, and you stick a little pin or something. I used a cotter pin. And it pushes the little button, and you push the button, pull the weenie, and out comes a yellow martini.
You realize where I'm at.
What's funny is my mom's the one that said that.
Really?
Yes. She probably lied because she probably pulled the weenie extra and the yogurt came out. Anyway. What?
Nope. I'm not even that desperate for entertainment this morning, dude.
Are you sure about that?
Positive.
Alright, so the other morning, or whenever, I did get the nut off the back. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, this just goes on like this. Alright, now I gotta get in here and push this bastard and twist it to pop this out. And I'm either gonna get it out of there or I'm gonna push so hard I shit my pants. So, that's always fun. Because I'll show you on the new one real fast.
Yeah, show us on the new one, Bobby.
It's like we're gonna make an adult film.
So you're pulling something out of the box. Wait. And ow! I got one leg over a shoulder. Come on, stretch. Stretch.
Ow.
You didn't say that? Oops.
Wait, what? We just went to dinner. Nothing happened.
That you'll admit to on camera.
Exactly. So there's a new switch. See how it's got little detents?
There we go.
Yeah.
So we have our electrical connections on the back with our ground. Everything slides in. Of course, we'll put a little bit of dielectric grease on there before it goes back in, just being the safe side.
This thing's coated in dielectric grease.
Yeah, which is good.
To an extent. I think it's that's a little heavy.
Oh, I just keep still. Yeah, that is a tad heavy. It doesn't need to be that bad.
Somebody got a little excited there.
Ooh. And just everywhere.
Sticky,
icky.
Okay, so I gotta try to get in there and push that because I'm trying to do it this way. My shoulder says, nope, it's not happening today, bud.
Yeah.
Oh, fat guy. Uh-oh. Hey, Scotty.
Sir?
I think I'm stuck. No, like, I'm not kidding. Oh, God damn it. Ooh, paint runs galore on this dash. Oof. Oh, my God. Well, it goes with the paintwork on the body, but I'm not gonna argue that. Ooh, horn blows.
Does the driver? Only on days that end in Y.
You have to ask Gary. Okay, got that. Give it the old push and turn. Push and turn and twist and pop. Ugh.
Yeah, Scotty's not twisting nothing for the next probably 2 weeks.
old switch. Oh, look it's got a price tag from some like mom and pop shop on it. But that was supposed to be new, boys and girls.
Let's see if we can get that one to.
Sure with me.
That's either $17.95 or $1.95. I don't know which. But from the looks of it, I think it's $11.95. It's from K&G? K&D?
Oh, I just work here.
Okay, so let me get you your...
Half the time I don't want to work here. Let me see that.
There's your little extra connection piece.
My little pee-pee.
Your little pee-pee.
Little pee-pee!
Little pee-pee.
All right, that goes in the thing.
And ladies and gentlemen, he's ready for your access.
Wait a minute. How dare you whore me out?
Hey, Daddy's got to make a paycheck. I need new shoes and a watch.
You always need a watch.
Yeah. I mean, I've only got a couple.
What was the last count, Scott?
Do I have to answer that question?
Yes, you're under oath at this point.
173.
Jesus Christ. Watch whore.
But a lot of them are for parts and to fix and sell and...
You're for parts.
Hey, all my 69 parts work. Well,
Oh, Jesus.
my AM radio broke in about 1974.
Oh, this guy.
Oh, look. And I even have the back of his head, too. But I'm bummed.
Okay, so I'm going to plug this baby in. It only goes one way, unlike Scott. He'll go any way you tell him to for $20.
Hey, it's all pink in the middle. Just remember that.
Oh,
It's all pink in the middle.
good Lord. Okay, so that's ready. That goes on there. And then we'll stick that in. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to try it before we buy it. Alright, well, at least it cranks. We've got that going for us.
Okay.
Didn't fire.
Well, I mean, it's been sitting for a couple of days or so.
Yeah, but we'll put it all back together and then we'll give it a try.
Okay, so on that note, ladies and joins.
Ow!
Ooh, I put him in paint already and I haven't even put it in yet.
What?
But I'm bummed.